Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can invest in the Germany 440 index using the Plus 500 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Plus 500 app, then go to the trade section, which you can do by tapping on the top of the screen and sliding it to the left side. And here you can find the Germany 40 assets at the most popular section, or you can just go and type in the search bar. And when you have found it, you can tap on it and you can see the informations regarding this asset. As you can see, Germany 40 features CFD based on the DAX index, futures a total return index of 40 selected blue chip Germany shares. So point value, initial margin, maintenance margin, and all the details you can see here. And to invest in this asset, you just have to tap on the buy icon, and here you are going to be able to see the price, and here you can add the amount that you would like to invest by tapping, and you can type in the amount, or you can also use these plus and minus icons to increase or decrease your investments. As you can see, and on the right side you will see the value that you are ready to invest right now. For one asset you are going to pay 15,000 euros at this rate. And you can also use the buy when rate is feature, which is a very nice feature, which allows you to decrease the margins so you can buy it at a lower price automatically. And then when you have set your amount, you just tap on the place order and your order is placed. As you can see, order by value. Right now for me it's says in Romanian lei, because right now I'm in Romania. That's why it says 78,000 lei, which is 15,000 euros. And here is the rate that my order has been set to. It's 15.935.76. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.